Hey, I'm Jeremy from Allo, and today I want to present you the Make integration. So we have been working for the past few months on how can we connect Allo to most of the existing software you have been using, and one of the solution is Make.com. If you're not familiar with the solution, Make.com allow you to simply connect an existing services to another services. In our case, we decided to build an application on Make that allow you to receive all the SMS and receive all the information from the call and be able to play with this different information and send it to the different tools. The first example I want to show you, it's to how you can automatize all the SMS you receive on your business phone and be able to share this information with your team. In my case, most of the time the customer are texting me about a specific issue, and I want to be able to send it to my help desk or my support that is mainly on intercom to be able to my team to jump on the ticket and be able to contact the users. So this is how this first workflow is working. I simply connect my Allo applications, then I filter when I receive an SMS, and I decided to use the content of the SMS and be able to send it directly to intercom. The second workflow I wanted to show you, it's very interesting, is how you can play with all the key feature of Allo, but be able to go deeper in terms of automations. So what you can do, all the calls that you receive on Allo are automatically recorded. You get the transcription of the call, you get access to an AI summary. Some customers want to change this AI summary. So what we have been doing, from the Make integrations, you can receive all the transcript from the application. It's the same that you get access inside the application. Now it's directly accessible from Make. And this information can be played around. So in my case, I decided to use Claude, Sonnet, so Anthropic product, to be able to build a different summarize to match more my note I'm having in my CRM. So you can imagine, I just connect, launch a prompt, I use the transcriptions, I get another text, and here I can just send it to wherever I want. So if I'm using, I would say, a more niche CRM that is not yet natively integrated on Allo, you can directly send it automatically from here. So this is how the Make integration is working. We are Make certified. The integration is accessible directly from the settings of the application of Allo, directly from your phone. And then you can connect Allo with more than 4,000 applications. Give it a try and share with us your scenario. Bye.